Hey everyone, VivaciousV here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a bed frame review and installation. My current bed frame is way too low to store things, so my new bed frame will give me the extra storage space I need. The bed frame I'll be reviewing today is the Zinus Quick Snap 18-inch twin platform bed frame from Amazon. The bed frame at the time of purchase was $94 and my shipping was free because I'm an Amazon Prime member. I actually got this item for about $14 cheaper because Amazon gave me a coupon for purchasing my first furniture item. So with taxes included, my grand total was $86. Overall, this bed frame is amazing. It has no bolts or screws, just like it says in the description, and it's incredibly easy to assemble. And to prove it, let's install it right now. So first things first, I grabbed myself some scissors to open the box. Inside you'll find a little hammer, 2 short metal bars for the top and bottom of the bed, 2 long metal bars for the sides of the bed, along with the wooden slats. This bed frame was really heavy, you guys. I think it was about 50 pounds or more, so a team lift is necessary. But if you're crazy like me, you'll attempt to slide this thing up a flight of stairs. Thankfully, my sister saw me and helped me halfway up. And here are the instructions. As you can see, it was pretty much 6 steps to assemble this thing. On each piece, there are numbers that guide you where to place everything, which of course made it that much easier to assemble. So now I'm just sliding the metal bars in according to their numbers that are labeled on the inside of each bar. I tried to use the hammer to push the bars in further, but honestly it didn't help much. So I ditched it and pushed the bars down as far as I could with my own hands. And now I'm putting on the wooden slats. The cool thing about this frame is that on the inside of the frame itself and on the wooden slats, there's velcro. So when you place it down, there's no movement or wiggling. Everything stays in place. There's also a paper you can remove to uncover adhesive on top of the slats if you really want to keep your mattress in place. I didn't use them though. And there's enough space to fit my entire body, and I'm 5'8". And there you have it, the completed bed frame. I mean, come on, look at this thing, especially compared to my old bed frame. So the bed frame is 18 inches tall, but there's about 16 inches of storage space underneath. With this bed frame, a box spring isn't really necessary. But because I didn't mind the extra height and I didn't want to throw out my box spring, I just added it on top. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions about this product or have any questions on how it's holding up so far, especially because I'm using it with a box spring, then feel free to leave a comment down below. And don't forget to smack that subscribe button to stay updated on my latest content. Thanks so much again. Bye, guys.